Okay guys, so we have content after a lot many days. बहुत दिन से हमारे पास content नहीं
And
था.
finally, we are going
Yes, we're going to Patratu Dam Valley. पता नहीं शायद ये दो different जगह है. But yeah, you get what I mean. The word Patratu
And
is coming.
now I'm deciding my dress. What should I wear?
Full time.
Full time pass. Something we need to do.
Yeah, we were.
चैलेंज में आई है।
अच्छा वो vlog बना रही है. Okay guys, so since Jyoti Mami and all those people have went, we get to sleep here. Which means we have elevated from not deserving to fly in an aeroplane class to economy class. You can see that. Okay guys, so apparently मेरा भाई अक्की वहाँ चला गया तो मैं वापस आ गई क्योंकि मेरे को उसके साथ नहीं सोना है. So back to not able to fly in an aeroplane class right here. Guys, today is 23rd and today we're going to, where are we going? We are going to Patalpuram. Most probably that's the name. If not, then you guys will see it there. Okay, so we're going to Patalpuram and I don't know what we're doing there, but yeah, I've heard that it's gonna be like boarding and stuff, and we're gonna just like picnic and I'm like yeah. So just let's go. So one is that Wagoner, the one we have, and then the other Innova, I guess, is here. I'm probably going in that one. So let's wait. I asked the people here, so we are not going to Patalpuram, we are going to Patratu. Yeah. And I'm in Innova right now, not our Innova, of course. And I'm on the last seat because I'm that kind of person. Dude, who are you? Who are you?
I'm Arnav.
Okay. People, so we're walking, we're on Patalpuram, no, Patratu, and you can see everyone's walking and I'm here alone, which I'm not supposed to be, honestly. That's our car. Yeah, I know, whatever, those Shakespearean. It's beautiful, honestly. Like, look at that, that's like so good. And that's Pani Puri Dukan. Wow, we came that way. Yeah. Now we're here. And maybe there's gonna be a road up there. When we go there, we're gonna see ourselves down here. Just that way. And maybe it's road below that. It's beautiful, right? Okay. Wagoner. nahi hai. And that's somebody's island. Let me zoom in. Shit. Yeah, I'm still not over this view. It's like so good. And it's like nice one. And this is where I'm going to stand and take pictures, but I'm not allowed to. So guys, it's so sunny, like so sunny. You can cook an omelette on my head. It's that sunny. I've heard that, your hair becomes like blonde if you go a lot in sunlight without oil on your hair. That's like a win-win situation for me because I hate black hair. Guys, I'm eating butterscotch, Aki is eating butterscotch, and those two are just chocolate kids. Okay, so now I'm going to stand here, which I'm not allowed to.
Hey, Dumbo, why are you going there? You could my phone.
Yeah, so I'm on it. Yeah. Just kept on biting my ice cream like lollipop. And my mouth feels just numb and just not very, I don't know. Hey guys, now I'm gonna eat my chaat. I always forget what is chaat, so I'm going to eat it again and forget it again. No, फिर उसमें से clip transfer करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So the drama has started. So Mossy was in the car and she did not see what Ishu was eating. So Ishu ate ice cream and we all have like severe cold. Like our nose keeps on running like some nasty kid. So so my father called her that what do you want to eat like to Mossy, and then Ishu was like mama I'm eating ice cream, and she was like देखो मैं तुमको जड़ती हूँ सड़ती हूँ. And she started a typical thing and it was like so damn fun. And now I ate chaat, I ate ice cream, and yeah, I'm gonna eat more because that's what I came for. This is what you came for. So I ate some chaat, I ate some papri chaat, I ate some pani puri and ice cream for which Ishu was screwed badly. Yeah, and now she's gonna vomit because she has eaten like a good amount of food, and now she's sitting at the back seat with me. I don't know why everyone just changed their places and everything to make it more irritating.
Hi.
So yeah, so now she's gonna throw up on the back seat and she's like, and it's gonna be like, okay. Okay, so there are two people who can vomit. One is this girl, and one my mom can throw up because both of them
I want this.
motion sick. And my mom is in that Manipuri attire with the nose and with the blush and with her contour. And yeah, we're gonna go voting right now, and we're waiting for Sanjay Bhaiya who has come. He'll live 100 years. Some Hindi mythology thing, like some mythological thing. That looks like a nice outfit. So like, look at these paintings. They're like so beautiful. Yeah, it's just beautiful and nice. It's a nice change. Ew, that's not. Thailand. Guys, I'm going to the washroom. So we're going to the washroom because it was just real bad. Sorry, I know we are women toilet है. रुको पापा के साथ जाओ. बहुत हाइजीन मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. पापा. चलो हम लोग चलते हैं. Guys, so we just used the washroom and let's just go. I just tied my hair up because it was just a lot more. What is it like? Yeah. Okay, everyone is still here, basically doing nothing and clicking 100 photos which they're gonna basically upload to Drive, and like one out of all those 1,000 is gonna go on Facebook. So basically, yeah. And my Mossy is doing it for her status because she's the status person in our house. The only thing she does is status. Okay guys, so we're not allowed to come this side, but I came this side because I'm a jerk. I'm just gonna walk here. Past it. I'm getting past this. Okay, so guys, we've gotten the entry and now we're going. Let's go! Arnav, go there and do it because I did not shoot it for my vlog. Start hopping. Good. Nice. Sweet. Keep going. Quiet. Okay, he ran away. You need to be done. Sit. Oh. I'll push. Huh? Okay guys, look at these people, they're having fun. Hey guys, so here's the real tea. Mossy is basically just feeding Keshav.
No.
Okay. and I'm guarding this stuff because my dad has been called to click pictures of my mom. As usual, there's nothing really new in that. Okay, and this is basically stuff. सब हम लोग जाने वाले हैं boating. Okay, so we're gonna do boating right now. We bought like so many things. So हम लोग सब कुछ ढो करके boating करेंगे. That means that ये सब चीज़ is gonna go on the boat. Our luggage. चलिए ओके मेरी मामा पोपट लाल बनी है पोपट लाल एंड देन अभी केशव है विच इज़ अंडर द पेड़ एंड नाउ अभी हम लोग मोनू मामा के लिए इतने देर से वेट कर रहे हैं लेकिन वो आया ही नहीं है सब ने कॉल किया फिर भी नहीं आया लेकिन फिर मैंने कॉल किया फिर आया और अभी देखो हम लोग सबको परेशान कर दिया था guys we're going to boating we're gonna do boating we're gonna do boating
Which one should we go?
I don't know. We don't have the choice, Aki. We're just being asked because the other people are just other person. No, the other people, the other family members are just wanting to pass their time by asking us. We don't really have a choice. Yeah, he ran away. I was just telling you guys. So that's the basic context and the usual yada yada. So stay tuned. Guys, that's the boating. We don't know which boat we're going on, but that's the boat. Like water red honestly and then it will be keeping on moving. What if it like falls? What if I get wet? Oh my god, it's gonna be like so damn fun. What if I jump on this? Oh wow. But I don't think it's that deep. It's like real shallow. You can look at the sticker right here. Yeah. I think the land's flooded because you can see that like it's like a lot more. I don't know what do you say, like the booms just run their leg over it. Oh, hold. You see the water is hot. I guess it's flooded. We're in the boat this time now. What? तो बोट में हो गया है कांड फर्स्टली मैं इधर अकेले आई थी फॉर पीस बिकॉज ईशू ने मेरे को पूरे कार राइड में धक्का दिया है और मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो गया था लेकिन ऑल दीज पीपल केम अलॉन्ग विथ मी एंड ऑल द पीपल वेंट देयर सो अपेरेंटली दैट पीस बोट इज़ मोर पीसफुल एंड आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेरी गुड We're not allowed to do this, but I'm doing it. I can see Keshav. Yeah, we wanted to go on a speed, but that's what I assumed that we're going on a speed with this peaceful candlelight boat. Focus camera. But focus karna yaar, focus ha. Okay, it's focusing on my mom. And this one feels like so good and so peaceful and so calming. Whoa, it feels like the pressure. I can feel the pressure. I can feel like the current. So fun. Chill, dude. We're trying to have fun. मजा आ रहा है?
हाँ.
Aki?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
हाँ?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत ज़्यादा. अर्नव?
हाँ बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत ठंडा ठंडा लग रहा है। मजा आ रहा है।
अच्छा
हमने ये शेड वाला बोट लिया है।
यस, इतना शेड आ रहा है कि हम लोग थोड़ा सा भी टैन नहीं हुए।
कोई शेड
और वो
नहीं है।
आदमी लोग तो चीता है
वहाँ ऊपर का धूप भी नहीं लग रहा है, नीचे का पानी का ठंडक भी है। इट्स चिलिंग कोल्ड हियर।
Chilling cold here. और वो लोग हम लोग से आगे निकल गए हैं क्योंकि हमने बड़ा टर्न लिया, वो लोग ने बड़ा टर्न नहीं लिया।
हम लोगों ने ज्यादा देर तक घूमा,
अच्छा
हाँ।
वो बच्चा
उन लोग का ट्रिप जल्दी खत्म हो गया।
हाँ, वो लोग
तो
बोरिंग
कोई
लोग
बड़ा
हैं।
आदमी नहीं।
अभी केशव है ना, इसलिए वो लोग तो केशव का रोना सुन रहा होगा। एटलीस्ट वी डिड नॉट गेट दैट, एटलीस्ट दिस पीपल कैन टॉक। तो हम लोग का व्लॉगिंग सॉरी बोटिंग हो गया है विदाउट माई बोट हेडफोन, बिकॉज हाँ। अब गाइस मेरे को लग रहा है प्यास, तो अभी मैं जाऊंगी पानी पीने। ओके, मेरा पॉट गोइंग ऑन अ स्ट्रोल डा एंड दोस पीपल आर गेटिंग वेरी इरिटेटेड डा।
लौटेंगे ऊपर से, ठीक है?
हाँ, सो लेट्स गो। Yoda. Yeah. Yoda. Good Yoda. Chillinda. Nice na? Very nice. You get what I mean na? Yeah, I get what I mean. That's really good. Then we have this, which is basically empty and stuff now. I was currently editing that video, so please watch the other half of the vlog in another video because